Dude, are you gonna hook up with a Mexican girl?
They're trying to hook me up with them, dude.
Dude, it'd be great if you did.
I get it, man.
Sweet brown sugar. You should marry one of my cousins.
If they're anything like you, I wouldn't be able to stand an hour with them. Waking up in the morning, they'd be like,
Hey, can I tell you a story?
I know.
Here's a story about this, and a story about that, and a story about this, a story about that.
But dude, all you gotta do is this. All you gotta do is this. Yeah.
You wanna come to my cousin's quinceañera, my daughter's quinceañera, my brother's quinceañera?
Yeah.
My sister's quinceañera?
There's always something happening though, bro. It's better than like, hey, do you know the new kind of flavored coffee I have? Do you like this kind of coffee? The baristas are excellent.
You like coffee, dude. Don't give me that.
I like good Starbucks coffee.
Whatever, I'll let you lay into me. Lay into me, dude. Fine.
13 X-ray, 13 missing juvenile, 2717 Jefferson, code 2 incident 5755 and RD 1327.
13 X-ray 13, we're going to be code 6 on the missing juvenile.